Good morning, it's Wednesday the 26th of January and this is your daily outlook. The dollar is weaker ahead of the FOMC meeting. The euro rose again today, hovering near a two-month high after breaking above the 137 level against the US dollar. On Tuesday, robust demand for the European Financial Stability Facility's debut bond auction boosted investors' euro confidence. Also supporting the euro is the view that the ECB will raise the interest rates before the US. Inflation concerns in the EU are growing in contrast to the Fed, which appears determined to support the growth, giving the euro an interest rate advantage. The euro rose as high as 137.02 and the pair was last trading at 136.63. Investors eye the two-day FOMC meeting concluding today, but no changes in the Fed's monetary policy is expected. Speculators expect rates to remain near zero levels and the Fed's $600 billion quantitative easing program to be completed. The dollar fell against a basket of currencies weighed by falling US yields and investors' weak sentiment on the dollar. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback slid to 81.96, breaking below the 82 level from 82.65. The sterling declined versus the dollar after disappointing GDP data showed the economy shrank by 0.5%, raising concerns that the UK is re-entering recession. The poor GDP figure is bad news for the UK as it battles with slow growth, a worrying high inflation and a stubbornly high unemployment. The question remains whether fiscal tightening would be a wise option for the Bank of England at a time where the UK economy risks of going back into deep recession. The British pound plummeted as low as 157.49 versus the dollar from 160.15 and the pair was last trading at 158.03. Gold edged higher on Wednesday, supported by a weaker US dollar. The precious metal rose as high as $1,337.25 an ounce from $1,322.50. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 127.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 127.85. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 82.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 82.35. Today's calendar market movers: US interest rate decision is forecast to leave rates unchanged at 0.25%. US new home sales for December forecast to rise to 303,000 and New Zealand interest rate decision is forecast to keep rates unchanged at 3%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were mixed on Tuesday with the S&P 500 trading up 0.03% and the Dow was down 0.03%. European bourses were negative with the FTSE down 0.44%, the DAX was down 0.12% and the CAC was down 0.34%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.55% and the Hang Seng was up 0.44%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.